And then freeze.
How to rotate these hips?
Not too. You swimming a long way?
Mm.
You swimming long? Don't use your hips too much. Just kind of use your arms.
Yeah.
I do try out. You?
Yes.
Today's workout purpose. Just up early. And enjoying the ocean.
Oh, cool.
Yeah.
Okay.
To be, to exist.
That's cool.
I hope the world cure itself.
Okay, one more time.
J'espère que le monde se soigne. Too many bad things happening in the world right now. Peace and love,
Yes.
absolutely.
Just to be outside until it gets like stays nice.
And get up and start the day right.
That's it. We get long. We keep our hips up.
Have fun. Yeah.
I'm Lily. Canon TX is a film camera. I think I got it from the NARTYLIL_.
It was excellent. Wonderful.
Huh?
Great.
Great.
It was great.
Were you scared? You guys are really good swimmers, I see. Thank you.
Mark Little, he's a photographer in Hawaii.
Have you ever doing that? How you?
Jerry Rodriguez.
Really? But you are doing great. Thank you.